Hello everyone, welcome to the ultimate WireGuard training on pfSense firewall. Are you ready to elevate your networking skills and dive into the world of secure VPN solutions? Look no further. In this comprehensive training course, I'll take you step by step through the essential process of mastering WireGuard on the pfSense firewall. Let's understand the network diagram explanation first, and then I'll take you to what you will learn in this training. The provided network diagram illustrates a WireGuard remote access and client-server VPN setup. Here's a detailed explanation of the components and their connections. In our lab, we have a LAN network that is 10.10.10.0/24 network. This is the internal network containing several important servers and a data center. We have several components within the LAN network. Number 1 is Active Directory. This is used for directory services and for user authentication. Number 2, Mail Server. This is our internal email server responsible for managing email communication. We also have a database server for managing database services and a file server to store and manage corporate data or files. We have a data center as well, a centralized repository for data storage and processing. We also have an internal LAN site switch. All the servers and the data center are connected to a switch labeled as W1. This switch handles the internal network traffic, and the switch is connected to a border edge pfSense firewall. This firewall acts as a security barrier between the internal network and external connections. On this pfSense firewall, we will install and configure the WireGuard VPN package. Additionally, this pfSense firewall will act as a WireGuard VPN server, facilitating secure remote access to remote workers or access the internal network. We also have some remote workers or remote clients. In this lab, I have 3 different clients connected to the WireGuard VPN server. Number 1 is Ubuntu PC, represented as a desktop computer and a WireGuard client. Number 2, we have a Windows PC. This also represented as a laptop and a WireGuard client. And the third one is Android phone, represented as a smartphone and a WireGuard client. The connections between the WireGuard VPN server and the clients are depicted with dashed purple lines indicating secure VPN connections. This network setup demonstrates how a remote access VPN can be established using WireGuard to securely connect various clients running on different operating systems to a LAN network. This allows remote access to internal resources such as mail servers, database, and file servers, ensuring secure and efficient communications. Next, we have another network scenario to configure site-to-site VPN over WireGuard, connecting branches to our head office through WireGuard VPN tunnel established on pfSense firewall. In this lab at our head office, the pfSense firewall has 2 interfaces configured: LAN interface with the IP address of 10.10.10.1/24 and on external interface IP addresses 203.215.189.33 is assigned and it's provided by my ISP. Similarly, at our branch office side, the pfSense firewall is also configured with 2 interfaces. This is very simple configuration to demonstrate and establishing the site-to-site VPN tunnel. In branch office pfSense firewall, LAN side IP address is 192.168.88.1/24 subnet, and on external interface IP address is 58.65.211.226 is assigned and it's provided by my ISP. In this site-to-site VPN setup, WireGuard is installed on both pfSense firewall to establish a secure connection between the head office and the branch office. This setup allows seamless communication between the 2 networks, ensuring secure data exchange and connectivity. Let's explore what you learned in this exciting training. Number 1, we will build a pfSense lab. First, we'll kick off our training with the fundamentals by setting up a robust pfSense lab environment. You'll learn how to create a virtual lab that mirrors real-world scenarios, enabling you to practice and experiment with confidence. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for the advanced configuration we'll tackle later in the course. Number 2 is installing and configuring WireGuard. We'll dive into the installation and configuration of WireGuard on pfSense firewall. WireGuard is renowned for its simplicity, speedy, and security. In this lab, we'll discover how to seamlessly install WireGuard and configure it to meet your network's specific needs. You'll gain hands-on experience with essential settings and learn best practices for a secure setup. Number 3 is configure client-server WireGuard. Once you have WireGuard up and running, it's time to explore client-server configuration. In this lab, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a client-server VPN using WireGuard. You'll learn how to establish secure connections between your devices and the server, ensuring your data remains protected while in transit. By the end of this lab, you will be proficient in managing client-server connections with ease. And number 4 is configure site-to-site VPN over WireGuard. In this final lab, we'll tackle the advanced topic of configuring a site-to-site VPN over WireGuard. This powerful setup allows you to connect multiple networks securely, regardless of their geographical locations. You'll learn how to create and manage site-to-site connections, enabling seamless communication and data exchange between remote sites. This lab will equip you with the skills needed to deploy and troubleshoot site-to-site VPNs effectively. And after the completion of all the hands-on, we will conclude our training. Whether you are a networking enthusiast, an IT professional, or someone looking to enhance their cybersecurity skills, this course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and hands-on experience needed to excel in the real world of pfSense and WireGuard. Join this exciting journey and unlock the full potential of your network security capabilities. Enroll now and take the first step towards becoming a WireGuard and pfSense expert. Let's get started.